In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a two-way sync between Notion and Google Calendar. Start by heading to Notion.com. On the home page, click Login, then choose the Google option. Select your Google account and complete the sign-in flow. Once you're in, open Notion Calendar. We're going to connect it to Google so events can move both ways. In Notion Calendar, look for Add Calendar Account and click it. Choose Connect Google Calendar. A prompt will direct you to Google permissions. Go ahead and continue. Select the same Google account you used to sign in, review the access requested for calendars, and approve to proceed. When you return to Notion Calendar, check the bottom of the screen for a confirmation that your calendar account was added. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment or refresh the page. Make sure you're in the correct workspace and signed into the right Google account. Now, let's create an event in Notion to test the sync. Right-click the date where you want the event, choose Create Event, and type the event name. You can leave other details as default for now. The goal is just to verify the connection. Repeat that once more on another date. Right-click the date, select Create Event, and enter the event name again. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click works the same as right-click. Next, switch over to Google Calendar and view the same month. You should see the events you just created in Notion appear here automatically. Sync usually happens quickly, but it may take a few seconds depending on your connection and account. To confirm that changes also go the other way, reschedule one of those events directly in Google Calendar. Click and drag it to a different date. That's it. No extra buttons required. Now jump back to Notion Calendar. Check the date you moved the event to. You should see that the event has relocated there as well, proving the two-way sync is working. Events created in Notion show up in Google, and edits in Google reflect back in Notion. Quick tips as you wrap up. If events don't appear, confirm you connected the correct Google account and refresh both calendars. Keep your time zone consistent across Notion and Google to avoid shifted times. And if you accidentally connected multiple times, remove any extra linked accounts to prevent duplicates. That's the full process for creating a reliable two-way sync between Notion and Google Calendar. You're all set to manage events from whichever app you prefer and keep everything perfectly in step.